Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the Metronaut Slim Fit Dark Grey Jeans for men available for just 451 rupees. Let's dive into its features, quality and if it's worth for your money. These jeans are made from Metronaut, a popular brand known for trendy, affordable fashion. The color is a sleek, dark grey which makes it versatile for both casual and semi-formal looks. On the first glance, it feels lightweight but sturdy with a slim fit design that's perfect for a modern, streamlined appearance. Made by Cotton Craft, the fabric has a decent blend of cotton and stretchable material, making it comfortable for all day wear. The texture is soft to the touch, and the elasticity ensures ease of movement. It's ideal for men who prefer jeans that don't restrict activity. Also available in size 34, the fit is true to its slim fit label, neither too tight nor too loose. It tapers nicely along the legs, complementing most body types. Pair it with a casual t-shirt or even a semi-formal shirt for any effortlessly stylish look. The best part, it's priced at just 451 rupees, making it a steal for budget conscious shoppers. At this price, it's rare to find jeans that offer both style and comfort. However, the durability might not match premium brands, so keep that in mind for regular use. To wrap up, the Metro Not Slim Fit Dark Grey jeans is a great budget-friendly option for men who want stylish, comfortable jeans without burning a hole in their pockets. If you're looking for a quick wardrobe upgrade, this one's worth considering. It's perfect for casual outings, daily wear, or even a quick style upgrade on a budget. If you're new to Metronaut or experimenting with affordable fashion, this could be a perfect start. So what are you waiting for? Go grab yours before it's gone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more content.